Hello my friends, in this video we will look at the projects of the house which I designed it on a small plot of land in Austria. On the internet I found an advert for a plot of land like this. It immediately caught my eye because it is an amazing location. It has stunning views of fields, forests and mountains. The plot is on an elevated position and has a rectangular shape with a total area of 500 square meters. The only disadvantage of the plot is that it has an uneven terrain. It is this feature that I decided to use for the further concept of the house layout. The main idea is to reflect the difference in topography in the layout, so that the rooms are on different levels. It is also important to make the most on the environment, so that the layout of the house allows you to enjoy all the beautiful views around you from anywhere in the house. To achieve this, I have designed the shape of the house to be unconventional and multifaceted. The house should have many exits to the outside. This task can be solved by large panoramic sliding windows. They will play an important role in shaping the appearance of the facets of the house. So let's see how it turned out. First, we park the car and walk along the concrete slab path to the main entrance of the house. This part is quite private, but at the same time has a lot of glazing. The entryway divides the house into two parts, living and guest. On the right at the entrance there is a small dressing room for outer wear. To the left is a small guest toilet. The corridor leads us to the kitchen area. It turned out to be quite large and comfortable. All the necessary kitchen equipment can be placed here. There is a dining area with a table and a stained glass window. peculiarity of the kitchen and living room is that they are connected to each other, but at the same time they are on different levels. The living room is lower down. It's a kind of patio. The sofa is surrounded by railings which can be converted into a bar or add some decor. It looks quite cozy, especially with such a beautiful view of the mountains. The other part of the building is where the living quarters are located. The master bedroom has a small walk-in wardrobe built into the wall that divides the room space. It also has its own bathroom. Well, and of course the bedroom itself with a large bed and the view of the forest that is at the back of the property. There is also another small room in the house. Here you can make a bedroom or a study. As I said before, by design, due to the sliding window, the house has exit to the street on all sides, so I surrounded it with a single path of concrete slabs. I also add outdoor sitting areas near the kitchen and living room. I would like to point out that I chose simplicity when working on the facets. I wanted something simple, minimalistic. So I purposely did not add various decorative elements and other textures. I left the facets of the house white to allow for further flights of fancy. Yes, this style is not in line with the local architectural style, but I still think it has a chance to exist. Write in the comments whether it is worth to continue working on the facets and change something. Your opinion is important to me. It will be very interesting to read your feedback. Of course, if you like this video, put a like and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss new project. Thank you all for watching. Bye bye.